teacher Tiff.
And Alyssa.
Awesome. We are going to be making Play-Doh today. We have never tried this recipe, but we're very excited because it's only 3 ingredients. So the ingredients that you're going to need are cornstarch, food coloring, and lotion. You can choose any lotion that you have at home. For supplies, you need a 1 cup measuring, a 1/2 cup measuring, a bowl, and a spoon. That's it. Are we ready? So first you take your 1/2 cup of lotion and you scoop it into your bowl.
And
then you add whatever color you want your Play-Doh to be, just a few drops of coloring. It's turning a magical color.
And then what we
And if you want to make a smaller batch or a larger batch, it's basically 1 part of your lotion to 2 parts of your cornstarch. So that gives you an idea in case you just have a little bit of lotion at home, or just want to make a little bit, or even make a few different batches with different colors. You did awesome mixing that. Now it's time to add our cornstarch. So we add 1 cup of cornstarch. We're going to just stir it in a little bit. Woo! It's a crazy cloud! It's silly, so we gotta mix super slow. Ideally, you'll just put a little bit in at a time. Like I said, this is our first time making this. I just found this recipe online and they call it cloud Play-Doh. If your Play-Doh is too dry, you can add a little bit more lotion. If it feels too sticky, just add a little bit more cornstarch. Okay, this is where you can get in and start. It's too sticky. Let's keep mixing.
It's going to be good now.
All right.
Sticky still.
Okay, let's feel it together. Ooh, it is like a cloud. So you can start mixing it together.
I'm going to make a ball out of it.
Ours feels a little dry. Maybe let's knead it together. Mix, 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 mix. But ours is a little dry still, so we're gonna add a bit more lotion. Just give a little squeeze. So I also saw another recipe online that uses flour and conditioner instead. So that way you don't have to go to the store. So if you have those things, you can try them at home.
This is not a good Play-Doh.
It's not a good Play-Doh yet, right?
No.
Okay, but if we keep squishing it together.
It's turned into a real Play-Doh.
To store your Play-Doh, wrap it in saran wrap and then put it in a bowl, and that should stay soft. If it starts to dry out, again, you can add a couple squirts of your lotion to it. But it's a fun sensory activity.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming together. Check it out. Look, there's our Play-Doh. Yay! So fun. You smush it over the bowl. Smush it. Hi friends, we're back after doing a little bit more kneading. We've got some messy hands going on, but it's been fun. Alyssa, is your Play-Doh fun now? Yeah. It does. It feels like little clouds. Very, very soft, which is awesome. So it feels different than traditional Play-Doh. Smells delicious because we use lavender.
And you not smell like regular Play-Doh.
It doesn't smell like regular Play-Doh. Alyssa's having fun doing her Play-Doh toys. It does make a little bit of a mess, so make sure you have a cutting board or ideally a tray or something under it. But this is fun. I'm glad we learned how to make our own Play-Doh today. Thanks for joining us. So how about you guys try it at home and let us know how it goes. Let us know what your favorite recipe was. Thanks for making Play-Doh today.